everyone, and welcome back to Big Mama's Garden. On today, we're going to harvest some carrots. Yay! Okay, you guys, this is going to be my second round harvesting carrots out of containers. My first time with trying to grow carrots, I tried to grow them in the ground, and I didn't know about how you had to thin them out, and I didn't know how weeds were going to be taking over the garden bed, and they really took over the garden bed with the carrots, and I just had to just start over and I decided to just, from now on, to just grow the carrots in containers. My second time growing the carrots was in a smaller container like this. And the carrots came out, when I harvested them, they came out small. They weren't big at all. So I decided to grow this time in a container, in a bigger container, hoping that the carrots would come out longer, where they had enough room in this bucket to be able to grow some long carrots. So let's see what we're gonna come up with this time. Wish us luck. Okay, I have my camera lady Jessica with us today. So Jessica, let's get started harvesting these carrots. I know I see this one right here that's big. I need to dig some of the dirt from around it, so when I pull it up, I don't break the carrot off. So let's see. I feel that this is gonna be, look at that.
No.
Another little one. Come on now, carrots. Gave you all of this room in this big pot and you give me a little carrot? Okay, let's get our next one. Let's hope it's a big one. Oh,
It looks like it might be. Well, looks can be deceiving with these things, huh?
oh, another small one. I gotta look and see if my seeds that I bought.
They mini carrots, huh?
Okay, well that's another little one. Let's see what this next one is. Another little one. Okay, carrots. You was living in this big pot and didn't produce any big carrots. Okay, let's see. All of them coming up little. Okay. They still edible. But we was hoping for some bigger carrots.
Oh, they real little.
Mm-hmm. And they normally say to plant them from seeds take about 70 to 80 days. And I think I've had these in the pots at least 90 days. So they should have had enough time to give us a nicer harvest than this. Nicer size. Look at that. All of these little small ones.
I don't think they ready.
Okay, Mr. Carrots. Y'all disappointed me here. Thought we was gonna get some big carrots out of y'all.
What if they were bigger in this pot?
That would be something, huh? The smaller pot, they coming out big. Let's see. Some more small carrots. And I didn't want to keep them in the pot too long because they said if you keep them in the soil too long of a time, they get kind of woody. And I was trying to give them some chill time from the cold weather too, because they said that helps them to come out more sweeter. So I don't know now. Let's see, what you gonna be? You gonna be a big one?
No.
All of them coming out how small. Okay, carrots. Okay, we're gonna go into this smaller pot and see if we're gonna be able to get any longer carrots out of this one. I see it look like it's a whole lot of little small ones.
That one's long.
Yeah. Okay,
They're a little longer in this one, but just small.
Yeah, they're still small. Okay. It's a bunch of little small ones. My first harvest in the container, we at least had one long one. I remember that. Let's see.
This organic carrots.
Something, huh?
They're not normally that big.
I don't know
We
what's
get those
going on here.
GMO carrots from the store.
Yeah, this is a disappointing harvest. I thought I would have had more longer carrots this time. Let's see. All these little small ones. Okay, I'm still not gonna give up. I'm gonna try again another time. With growing my carrots, see if I can get any more. Oh, look at this one here. This one's kind of long.
This pot was better to say it was a small pot.
Yeah.
It probably needed 10 more days.
I don't know. But they're all coming out small. Oh. All in that one. All of these little small carrots. Let's see, one more over here. Let's see.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, that's a thick one though. Look.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that one was getting up.
Oh well, we'll try again another time. Thanks for stopping by Big Mama's Garden. We're gonna try these carrots one more time in the spring. Well, not the carrot harvest I was expecting. A lot of small carrots again this time. But I'm not gonna give up. I'll try again next season growing carrots at Big Mama's Garden.